What's up, y'all? Domino 7 here. We got Jamal in the house, Shannon's future husband. All right, so you it's almost time for you to go, huh? All right, so never mind that. So Jamal, what's been up with you?
Chilling.
All right, so I said in the live stream, you're welcome to the party.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Huh?
I'm gonna come.
Oh yeah, and by the way, hopefully my close friend Brittany gonna come and I told her bring her boyfriend. Mm-hmm. Well, the reason why I asked Brittany to bring her boyfriend so he can know what's going on. It's another man house, you know. So he don't think nothing going on, you know. Yeah. So I was supposed to say something after that live stream, but I forgot. You know. So y'all been together a few months. You say 3 years, huh?
I've been knowing her for that long. We've been together for months, yeah.
Oh yeah. All right. So y'all been friends for a while. Got together just like that. Like they say, y'all gotta start off as friends first, right? But you can't just jump the gun and say, oh, I don't date friends and all that, because you never know what you're passing up, right? Because Nala, she, well, never mind. Nala says she don't date friends, but guess what? I'm gonna change that. Well, I better be careful what the hell I'm saying, cause I still say I don't know who watches Domino 7, you know. I really don't know who watches Domino 7, you know. I mean, them people could be watching though, you know. All right, so anyway, you enjoy being on the show, Jay?
Yeah.
All right. All right, that's all Domino 7 got to say. Peace out.